Today video we are at Phang Nga and we in Samet Nangshe.
So this place is one of the most picturesque places in all of Thailand. You guys are in for a real treat today. So we've just come into the car park right now and we need to buy some tickets. So we'll go and do that now, and then they're going to take us up in this car because we're going to go up to the top of the mountain, and you're going to see one of the most beautiful places you've ever seen in Thailand.
So for the enter, you need to pay 30 baht for each person, and then for the 2 แถว 90 baht per person. So both of us we pay 180 baht, and then if you want a tent, you want a sleepover, is 450 baht per tent.
Okay, so we don't have anywhere booked to sleep tonight, so we're going to go see if we can get a tent up the top. Alright, this is our ride. Gonna go up the top. Size brought like enough clothes. How long are we staying for? Is just one night?
Babe, but because we're gonna go and take a lot of photos, so
Oh my god.
I bring like a lot of dress.
Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. Oh, my kidneys. Yeah, this is so much fun. Oh my god.
Look at my feet holding the snack.
That's where we're gonna be looking over tonight. It's gonna be worth it. They're gonna upgrade their road though.
This is only 30 baht for entrance.
Yeah.
It's only 30 baht for getting in.
Wow. Hold on, guys.
You almost fell.
Oh my god. Please be there. Oh, we made it. Oh no, we're not there yet. Almost.
Wow, so beautiful.
Oh, look at that service. Right to the doorstep. Marvelous. Alright, we made it. Oh my god, I was holding on for like dear life. The camera, the bags. I was like, to one point I was like holding on with 2 fingers, trying not to fall out. Alright. So, looks like we got this place to ourselves. Here's the restaurant, but the restaurant is closed.
We forgot to ask the phone number if we get down.
We get down.
How are we gonna call them?
We can walk down. So there's a restaurant.
Let me go ask them right before they go.
You're scared we're going to be left here for the night?
And then we have to walk.
It's like a horror movie. Alright guys, we'll have a look around. So they got some... There's 2 different types of accommodation. There's like tents, and there's these like little huts. But we went for the tents tonight. I don't know if I'll regret that later. So there's like little huts down there. We'll go check them out a bit later. Let's walk up here and take a look at this. Wow. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful than that? It's a lot like Ha Long Bay in Vietnam. Just so beautiful and peaceful. Amazing. I could look at this all day. Okay. So they got like all these little things set up for like photo opportunities. So I'm sure Sai will be playing around with that later. So I guess when it was pretty busy, you could buy stuff, but there's no one here except for us.
you want to sleep?
Pick the spot. Ask him where's the best spot.
Okay,ค่ะ. You gotta pick the spot on the dirt.
Okay. Ask him where's the best spot.
ตรงไหนวิวดีที่สุดคะ ใต้ต้นไม้
So
ตรงนู้นเหรอ
we get to pitch the tent wherever we want. We can choose.
ฮะ นี่เหรอคะ เนี่ย ขอบคุณค่ะ He said this one.
Alright, this is the best spot. Yeah, I guess so right here.
Yeah.
It's the best spot to pitch the tent, guys.
He said under the tree and we like surrounded with
Yeah.
the tree.
Now this is the spot. Look at that. We're just going to be sitting in a tent tonight.
Maybe the thing is there's only us on here. If
Yeah.
something went wrong.
If something goes wrong, you'll never see this video posted. It could be like the Blair Witch Project.
Only us.
Have you seen the Blair Witch Project?
No.
Okay, we'll watch that tonight on
No,
Netflix.
we're not gonna watch it.
And they got like a...
Holy.
You didn't see the view yet?
No, I was just worried about the...
You were worried about where to put the tent and you didn't even like... You were just thinking about like, oh, okay,
I just look at the ground. And
the ground's
tree.
like, oh, you're going to put it on the dirt? And then you realize, boom,
Oh, wow.
look at that. I can
Wow.
just keep showing you the view.
Imagine flying the drone.
The drone's going to be flying very soon.
We can name this video Private Island.
We're not on an island though.
Yeah, we
Maybe this is why you don't do the titles.
They don't know that.
Say, well, you want to deceive the people. All right, so look at this. We'll go have a look around. So you got all these things. Wow, look at that. Look at that shot. That Instagram shot right there.
I bring my beautiful white big dress.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's going to be dirty.
I don't.
Okay, so let's go over here. There's a little platform. Got so many nice places. You can see there's a nice cabin down there. I don't know if you can rent that one.
Actually, you
But-
can rent this one.
Yeah, we'll go check them out in a minute.
But I want to have the tent.
Yeah, we want the tent. These cabins, I don't even know they got a fan.
This is the tent also. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, this is like, my eyes cannot believe this is real.
It's incredible. It's like Ha Long Bay, yeah, in Vietnam. But more clearer, and Ha Long Bay was a bit more hazy. Wow.
Oh, my eye is like,
So let's go have a look over here. We'll go check out the little cabins, and there's also like this tree house and another platform over here. So we don't have to line up to get any like photos because there's no one here.
we got the tree house too.
Look, so many photo spots. And the tree house is so cool. We'll go up there later. A bit later on. And there's another platform down here. We'll go out on this one.
I'll ask him though,
Ask him what?
if it's safe.
Of course it's safe. Does that not look safe?
Where does this look
That's
safe?
like, looks like
That's a question.
amazing Thailand engineering right there. And you question the safety. Look at that. She thinks this is not safe. Look, sturdy. Super sturdy.
Or something for.
Okay, and we got this little platform here. It's like open the door. This one's a bit dodgy. Whoa, it's getting a bit scary now. Whoa. That platform's not designed to take a 90 kilos. They've just made this one out of old parts. Go, you can do it. Okay, oh wow.
Oh, look at that. Look at that house. Look at that house.
Is it me or is that house like leaning on the side? Huh? It's leaning on the side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like that one in Italy. What do you call that one?
The Leaning Tower of Phang Nga.
Oh, oh.
Whoa, look. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know how the maintenance is with no guests. So you got a question.
It's moving.
And you can swing as well.
I don't even know how that swings so high. It looks like someone could suicide.
So we can swing right out, but I'll leave that one to the professionals. I don't know. So there's our tent. We got the pink tent. Let's go have a look at our tent. So these are the cabins. How much are the cabins? Under the tree. So this is our tent. Oh, he's staying here tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, so we get murdered, it's him.
Get a good look at him.
We only got one suspect and the driver. There's two suspects if anything happens to us. So this is our tent. Do you have power?
Mate, no.
Maybe in the restaurant.
I did ask.
Huh?
I did ask. He's like, do you have pillow? Do you have the blanket? He's like, we have the cushion, the blanket, the pillow, but we don't have electric.
Okay, no electric.
And no food.
No food.
มีห้องน้ำไม่อาบน้ำเลย
นี่ครับมีสีฟ้าฝั่งโน้นครับเดินเลยร้านไปนิดนึงนะครับสองห้องน้ำห้องอาบน้ำ
Oh, they have the shower.
Oh wow. This is 5-star luxury. How many people usually come on the weekend or?
ปกติแล้วนักท่องเที่ยวจะมาประมาณกี่คนนะคะช่วงวันหยุด
บอกไม่ถูกนะครับเพราะบางวันมันก็มีบางวันมันก็ไม่มีบางวันก็มีเยอะอะไรประมาณนี้
ช่วงวันหยุดก็ไม่มีเลยเหรอคะ
ช่วงวันหยุดก็จะมีครับ
It's like it's depend you cannot
แต่
tell
ถ้าเหมือนวันธรรมดาแบบนี้จะน้อยครับ
ถ้าวันหยุดอย่างนี้ประมาณสัก3-4 เต็นท์ได้ไหม
ได้ครับ
It's like 2-3 tent
Okay.
on the weekend.
And mainly is it foreigners or is it Thai people?
โดยปกติเนี่ยจะเป็นคนไทยหรือต่างชาติคะที่มาเที่ยว
คนไทยครับช่วงนี้
ไทย
Mainly Thai.
because at this time it's this cold.
Yeah. It's just us. I'm the only white guy. All right. You want to do the tour?
We have to wait for him to.
You can look now.
I can look now.
Yeah. It'll be
แป๊
alright.
บนึงนะครับด้านในยังไม่มีอะไรครับ
He said just a second.
เดี๋ยวรอให้คำนวณเสร็จก่อนแล้วเดี๋ยวผมจะบอกอีกทีนึงครับ
Okay. He was like, we will
เดินถ่ายรู
everything
ปก่อนได้
prepare
ครับ
and
ก่อน
then
จะเสร็จอีก
and then I'll call you.
Okay. So he's
Go
going to
and take
prepare.
pictures.
And then we're gonna start the tent tour. You don't want to miss this, guys.
Yeah.
We'll be back in a minute. Okay, so it looks like we've got a bit of a storm rolling in, which is going to make the night really interesting. I saw a bit of lightning just over there. It's getting dark. Want to sleep in the rain? Okay, our tent is ready. So let's go check out the tent. You excited?
I am.
How many times have you slept in a tent?
This tent?
Yeah.
Like this? No, never.
Oh, first time.
Yeah.
So it's her first time sleeping in a tent.
I always sleep in the fancy tent.
She's done glamping. She's been spoiled. So there's like, they give us a mat and a pillow. We got Garfield.
Oh.
So this is our,
Oh, it smells so strong.
this is our room for the night.
Oh, what did he spray? Maybe the mosquito spray.
Maybe.
Oh,
So they got a bit of a mat on the.
oh, baby, move. Move, spider.
Whoa, we got a bit of a spider action happening already. Don't worry, it's only a spider.
It's a big one.
It's well, you're sleeping on that side then.
Already.
I'm gonna go to the non-spider side.
Ow, move.
Oh, you threw him out like so hard.
Baby already killed him.
He looks so pissed off.
I tried to get him out.
All right, so you get a blanket.
Yeah.
You get a little. This is like the littlest pillow I've ever seen.
This is the smallest.
Wow, look at the pillow. This is for like
Oh, another spider.
for like kids. I don't actually like if I'm actually gonna fit lengthwise.
Oh no, look at this.
I might have to put my feet outside. Alright, sleep horizontally.
Or you can like this.
Oh god, this is gonna be fun. All we need now is rain, and this epic adventure is gonna be complete.
So hot.
So this is awesome.
Oh,
So Sai already broke it.
I didn't.
She broke the zip. Now the night's gonna get really interesting. Okay, let's see if we can get this fixed. A little repair. It's done this before. Okay, behind us is the cabins. So I actually honestly think I would prefer to sleep in the tent than one of these cabins. They look pretty rough. What do you think?
Yeah, this is look like, you know, like you would get the feeling of like the real logo.
This is real local. It's
I'm not
actually
saying like locals stay like this.
it's
but
locked, but we can have a look in this window. Hold this one open for me. We'll peek in. Don't shut it in my head.
I know.
Okay.
Shut on your head.
So it's got the net, and yeah. Oh, they got actually power in there, so that's good. We don't have power, but it look pretty rough. Pretty rough.
Maybe.
You need help?
No, we could just come in tonight. And
Yeah. If the storms are big, we'll just upgrade our little luxury tent for the luxury mountainside cabin. It's all in the wording, how good you make it sound. Alright, so yeah, lots of photo opportunities. I'm not sure what's down here. We haven't explored down here yet. What happened? Oh, there's a lizard?
I just went and swing and he was in front of my face.
Ah, the lizard, he's camouflaged. Look at that. For all you guys that like lizards.
He's gonna jump on your camera.
No, he's just chilling. I'll get you a good side, dude. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, he looks so cute, this one. He's got little head.
I'm gonna spin him around.
Where are you gonna spin his leg?
Yeah, he's had enough. He's had enough. He didn't like my games. Alright, let's go have a look down here. This is the last bit we haven't explored. Just a few more little dodgy planks and a place you can come and sit. Oh, I think that's actually the nice cabin down here. We'll go have a look at the nice cabin. Yeah, this is a pretty dodgy plank. Yeah, so there's a nice cabin down there. So I'm not sure how much that is. But if you want to come and stay in a bit more nicer living arrangements, you can come to that one. But I guess you'd have to probably book in the busy times.
It's amazing how you can hear like people down below, like so far away.
Yeah, there's little villages down there.
You can hear the kids are playing.
So there's a village, there's like a little shop down there, and there's a small village over there. You can hear the children playing. Another little village down there on the main road. Wow, see the lightning?
Is this the water come from the sea?
Yeah.
What do you call this one in English?
James Bond Island is out there somewhere. And you were questioning the Thai building?
Forgot to ask him to stay.
These are all the broken ones. That's fine. A few nails, a little bit of paint. That'll be back in service in no time.
Not sure about that.
Good morning from paradise. So we're going to go up on this tree house here, and then we'll tell you all about our experience last night in the tent. Ladies first.
And make an intro.
You'll be fine. Just go for it.
Ooh, what did I touch?
Just water. You'll be fine.
Something soft.
Alright, we're gonna go up into the tree house. I think we better go one at a time.
Babe, I'm
Oh, this is actually the old ladder.
Babe, I'm scared.
This is the old ladder. Look at the old ladder.
I'm scared.
And this is the new ladder. They didn't even take the old ladder away when it broke and the person fell to their death. Alright, I'll go first this time. Let's go.
Baby, you sure?
Yeah. Easy. You got up easier than me.
Huh?
Okay. Alright, we are at the top of the treehouse, and that ladder's seen better days. There's a few cracks on the way up.
Just one big crack. Is that one like collapse and going down?
And there's got like underneath it's got the old ladder that broke. I don't know how long ago. But anyway, we're up here now. And once you get to the top, the views are incredible. It's even better than when you're below.
Yeah.
So last night in the tent, how did you like the tent?
As the
Sai's first tent experience.
Yeah, it's the early. It was excited, and then the early of the night was so hot because there's no wind at all.
Yeah, pretty much from like 6:30, 7 o'clock you had to jump in the tent because there was like some mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So, but then it was really hot. But
I keep moving, but then
luckily enough, it started raining like really heavy. Probably about 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock,
yeah,
12, 1. And then it was really nice to
Yeah.
sleep. A little bit, few drips coming in.
oh yeah,
It was a bit wet. The old tent was a bit like a sieve, like a leaky sieve. But
but it was nice. It
yeah,
cooled
once we
us down.
patched up the holes, it was a good sleep. So yeah, guys, if you come here, you know it's a really good experience. Probably not the best sleep you're ever gonna have. It's a little bit hard, but I mean it was a really good experience. We enjoyed it. And you know, you can't beat these views and the fresh air and the atmosphere. And it was like such a surreal feeling that, you know, like this is like one of the most beautiful places on earth, and we had it all to ourselves. Like it was a like crazy feeling, just that being here by ourselves the whole night and having this whole area to ourselves was crazy. So anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Until next time, dream bigger, much sooner. Peace.